welcome back. We are now home. So, there's Margaret, Mia, and Zaya. We are at my parents' place right now. And there's my dad, as you can see. And there's Gavin. Hi, Gavin, say hi to our vlog.
So, Mom put a camera in her room so she can watch us while because sometimes she sleeps in the
living room?
Yeah, because we're sleeping in our bed.
Oh.
And she changed the position of the bed now. And then every time Gavin's in front of it, he's like, oh my God, look at it.
Nakain ako guys ng raspberry. Guys, I'm eating watermelon.
Watermelon is so...
It's so crispy. And it's so sweet too. Oh, luta. Hindi, ang sarap ng pakwan. Ang tamis. Kunin mo yung pagkain ko dyan sa microwave.
Let me get...
Currently at the cosmetics section. Ayan guys, Maybelline, L'Oreal. Ito talaga yung happy place ko. Uy! Maybelline Fit Me is on sale. Rollback. Mas mura talaga dito yung Superstay. There. And then L'Oreal. Hindi siya naka-sale. Pero mura siya. Compare mo sa Shoppers. Tingin muna ako guys. What's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. We are here. Nasa Canadian Tire kami ngayon. And Mia is really scared at the moment kasi look what's in here. Pang Halloween guys. Look at this. Oh no! Creepy! Ang creepy nila guys. Tignan nyo. Ayan guys, oh. Ang dami ng pang Halloween ano dito. Ayan. Nag-iikot-ikot lang kami dito ngayon. Can I see? Tingnan mo nga to. Kunong ginagawa na ito ng bruhildang to. Natakot to yan. Ay, kasi sinakot ako. Punta tayo dito kay Mother. Si Mama bumili ng juicer. Ayan guys. Mayaman yan si Mama. Bibili niya nga daw to yung buong Canadian Tire. Ay, may turbo. Ah, grabe naman. Turbo. 140. Magtingin ka na doon ng LED lights.
Mamaya na.
Mamaya na, tapos na si Mama, oh. Nakabili na si Mama.
Ay, nabibili mo nga?
Yeah. Oh. Hanap daw siya guys ng electric na kettle. $99 yan. Oster yan eh. Sa panahon ngayon, wala nang mura.
Ha? Hindi na sir?
That's my brother. Where?
Where?
You don't know?
Where?
Ayan guys, sa mga Halloween
Where?
stuff. Decors. Yan. Hala, mura na lang to di oh. 10 bucks na lang. Cheetos.
May ito may video ito.
Buda na, bilan mo siya. Come here, Mia. Mia, come here. Let's find a Halloween costume for you.
30.
Ayaw mo siya maging strawberry? This is cute. Uwi na tayo, guys. Feel ko to ngayon ng ano pa-turtleneck ni Madam. Let's go. Probably the kids are already hungry. They're waiting. People are like staring at me. Well, I don't care. Home and they're eating. We got it from Costco, guys. Like hot dogs and drinks are only for $1.50. And then my uncle is here, my dad's brother, youngest. And then Tita Ann, Mamang, they're talking. I'm having Pepsi. Nilata. There you go. We got them this big cardboard from Costco. It's for free. And we got it. Yeah, that's just for free. We got it kasi we brought it home kasi my mom said na it's for them to write on kasi usually they write on the wall. So yeah, Isaiah and Gavin. That's why.
The owner was snowing. Gavin,
there you go.
Okay, that's gonna
There's
be your
Gavin. Si
box
Gavin yung dyan.
No, you gotta
magulo.
draw where you drew. I told you not to draw. Now you gotta draw where you drew. No,
Ayan
that's
na.
right here.
And
This
my
is your
dad is
box.
just watching
Gavin.
TV.
This is
Just
what? Now you
there.
draw here now. I'm gonna write your name.
Netflix and children and guys.
No, I
Mia
can't
is
write my
here.
name.
Nadede pa rin sa akin. Ayan.
Because I'm writing your
Kevin is videos. Thank you guys for watching. Can you say bye to our vlog?
Bye. Bye.
Good afternoon, guys. It is now Sunday in here. I think the time is let me see. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon and we're about to go out. Uuwi na kami sa bahay. Bale, natapos na akong maglagay ng makeup ko. Still using the clay blush. I'm liking it. Nasa clinic kami, guys. Kasi, ito, kailangan magpatingin sa doktor. Nararamdaman mo. Masakit tenga mo. Masakit tenga mo. Masama pakiramdam niya, guys. Sumasakit yung tenga niya. I think simula pa Thursday na. Tapos ngayon malala na. Nag-aantay na lang kami. Tawagin ng doktor. So, ayun guys. Tapos naming magpunta sa clinic. Na-check na si Kevin. And yun nga, there's a problem sa ears niya. So, he needs to see his ENT doctor. And then, hindi siya pwedeng mag-work muna until hindi niya nakita yung doctor niya. And siya nagda-drive. Siya nagda-drive, guys, kasi wala ako sa mood mag-drive. Pati ang lamig kasi. Tatamad pati ako gumalaw-galaw. And so, meron na kaming doctor's note niya. Tapos, naresitahan muna siya ng tawag dito. Naresitahan siya ng gamot para sa tenga niya. Pananakit. Like, it's like a pain reliever. So, pauwi na kami ngayon. Kasi magde-drop off muna siya sa work to bring his doctor's note para makausap na lang din ng personally yung ano niya, bisor niya or yung sino man yung nandun. We are home. And sa Isaiah, nagbibilang ng barya. Philippine money. Yan. And then there's Camiro. And si Kevin. And then si Mia. Guys, pag-iisahing vlog ko na lang to ha. Like from Friday hanggang ngayon. Kasi wala masyadong ganap. Nag-chill lang kami. Hindi kami lumabas gaano. Kasi malamig nga. So, ayun lang naman.
That's how they make their marketing. $1 trillion marketing.
Nasa bahay na si Daddy.
There's yellow, look.
Ayun no, kumakain siya ng ice cream.
Give me.
Tapos ito naman, pumapapak ng Super Crunch.
There.
Ano guys, mag-exam dapat yan ng learners niya. Kaso hindi natuloy. Minalas kami kasi inabot kami ng siyam-siyam sa loob ng registry. Gawa. Kasi ng end of month, pag end of month, usually, sobrang busy. Kasi, lahat ng mga, kasi, by alphabet, hindi, kasi parang, dito nakaschedule, like, by letters, yung first letter ng last name mo, ganong month ka magpaparenew ng rehistro mo, or ng plate mo, ganon. So, ayun yung nangyari. Guys, mag-Walmart tayo. Mia is showing her took. And there's Kuya Isaiah. So handsome. So let's go na guys. Let's go to Walmart. Casey, open the door, baby. Ang guys, naka-winter jacket. Naka-may. Come on, hurry up, please.
Kasing buzzing guys. See.
And guys, let's go. Let's get in the car. Careful. It's freezing. Okay, go. Guys, nasa Walmart tayo ngayon. So, naghahanap lang ako guys ng organizer para dun sa vanity ko. Oh, these are cute. Ganda naman na ito. Ayan guys. Ito ako ngayon sa craft section nila. Naghahanap ako ng acrylic.
Ito guys, punta ko sa hardware section na costume. Gusto ko ito guys yung ang paniya, this one. Mag-leggings na lang siya ng white.
Di takot siya. Ayaw niya.
So, ayun na guys. Ito na yung susutin niya. So, I'll just let me wear a white leggings. And then si Isaiah, still deciding which one to get. So, I'll go with
Picturean ko sana logo ko dyan sa YouTube.
Got our milk teas. Si Kevin,
Pearl
had.
Oh my God.
Ginaya niyo sa Facebook. Sobrang daming pearls. Sa amin, tigdadalawa lang. Yung kanya guys, 3 pearls na, 3 scoop.
Oh my God.
And I got taro milk tea. Sila winter melon. So, pauwi na kami guys. Thank you guys for watching today's vlog. I hope to see you in my next one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed on my channel yet, please do click on the subscribe button below. And as well, the bell beside it, so you get notified every time we upload new videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye!